Hello, today I'm going to show you my 3D printing design workflow. I'm going to show you how to go from nothing to an idea, to a sketch, to a design, and finally to a finished product. Let's get started. The first step in any design process is of course to come up with the idea. You can come up with an idea by asking two questions. The first is, can I 3D print that? You look around the everyday world and you ask about everyday items. Can I 3D print that? And then you try. The other question you can ask is, how can I fix this problem? Or how can I improve this situation? You see a problem and you attempt to fix it. Of course, today is an example of when I asked, can I 3D print that? The second step in my design process is brainstorming. Some people like to use paper and pen, but personally, I like to do it by just using, well, my brain. The point of this step is not to achieve perfection. The point is to get a basic idea of how you think your design will work and function. Often when you jump into the actual CAD design process, you realize that something that you thought would work well on paper or in your brain won't work exactly how you thought. The next step in my design process is to get a proof of concept design. You take a first pass at designing things in an attempt to prove that your idea has legs and could be refined into a final product. Next comes the prototyping phase. You go back and forth between your CAD design and your printer, trying to get something that you think might be able to be turned into a finished product. There you have it, my 4 steps to go from nothing to a finished 3D printed design. But I'm sure your design process is entirely different, so let me know your steps in the comments.